Here is a complete Toshiba washing machine E7 error repair guide, simple plus technician-level explanation. Toshiba washing machine. E7 error, meaning and fix. What E7 error means. E7 usually indicates a serious internal fault. Depending on the model, it can mean drive system problem, belt, motor, transmission, sensor fault, water level, temperature sensor. Brake, wiring, or safety system failure. In many Toshiba models, E7-1, E7-2, E7-3, etc., it is classified as a dangerous fault and may require service. Basic reset. Try first. Turn off the machine. Unplug for 5-10 minutes. Plug back in and restart. Sometimes E7 is a temporary system error. Step 2. Check load and drum. Remove some clothes. Overload causes motor stress. Make sure clothes are evenly distributed. Rotate drum manually, should move freely. Overload or jam can trigger E7, motor drive issue. Step 3. Inspect drive belt, important. Only if you can open the back panel safely. Check. Loose or broken belt. Belt slipped off pulley. Worn or cracked belt. Fix. Refit belt properly. Replace if damaged. E7 is often caused by drive belt failure. Step 4. Check wiring and connections. Look for loose wires near motor, burnt connectors, broken brake wires. Toshiba manuals link E7 to brake josh sensor wiring faults. Step 5. Inspect sensors. Possible faulty parts. Water level sensor. Temperature sensor. Fix. Clean sensor ports. Replace sensor if faulty. Sensor failure can trigger E7 in some models. Step 6. Motor check. Symptoms. Drum not spinning. Machine stops mid-cycle. Could be motor failure. Capacitor issue. Control board problem. Solution. Requires technician, not DIY safe.